Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is bread pocket sandwiches. Take 3 boiled potatoes and mash them coarsely. Add 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Keep the flame to medium. 2 finely chopped garlic and few pieces of ginger, finely chopped small onion. 2 chopped green chilies. A quarter teaspoon turmeric. 1 tablespoon capsicum or green pepper and spring onions. 1 tablespoon green peas and sweet corn. 3/4 teaspoon chili powder or paprika. 3/4 teaspoon salt. Coarsely mashed potatoes. Few chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Take breads of your choice and cut them with a bowl or a cookie cutter. Keep them aside. Crack 3 eggs. Whisk it. Take breadcrumbs. Dip the breads in the eggs. Coat it with the breadcrumbs. Fry them on medium flame. Cut them into pieces. Open up the breads carefully. Fill it with potato mix. Add ketchup or sauce if you like. Bread pocket sandwiches are ready. Thanks for watching.